Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Zach Shaheed broadcasting live from Shaheedville, the great city of Columbus, Georgia. It is time, y'all, for another live Zach Fact. Hopefully, you guys are having a great day on purpose. Now, if this is your first time on a live Zach Fact, what I want you all to do, especially if you are in the industry of network marketing or affiliate marketing, immediately following this broadcast, I want you to type in Dominate Social Media inside the Facebook search. Join our Facebook community. We started that community for people in the industry of network marketing and affiliate marketing that want to learn the skill sets they need to dominate in their industry. So when you join that group, we have tons of free training in that group. As a matter of fact, there are 12 modules that if you go through all 12, you will become a marketing beast. We also have weekly network marketing training, free network marketing training that you can tap into on a weekly basis as well to help you grow your skill sets and, again, dominate inside of your network marketing or affiliate marketing company. So, again, just type in Dominate Social Media in the Facebook search as soon as we are done so you can get access to Dominate Social Media. Now, on today's Live Zach Fact, we are going to talk about if you feel like your results in network marketing are AWOL, okay, you need to be focused on doing three very important things starting today, okay? So as you all pop in, drop me a comment below. Let me know if you're watching this live or if you are watching this on the replay so I can go back and re-engage with all my replay viewers as well as the live viewers as well. So let's go right into it. Number one, the very first thing that you need to focus on if you feel like your results in network marketing are AWOL, the very first thing you need to be focused on is finding a mentor. Okay, now if you have followed me for any amount of time, you all know I always talk about finding you a documented mentor, right? Finding you somebody in your particular industry that has gotten the results that you are also trying to get, and they will be willing to show you their documentation. So number one is finding a documented mentor. Now, let me tell you the cool thing about finding somebody documented, okay? Not only are they going to show you their results, they are going to share with you the results of their students that are also getting their results, right? And that's why I love my mentor, Robert Hollis, because when I first started looking for a mentor, he showed me his documentation, all the awards that he has gotten inside the industry, but then he showed me multiple people that he has helped create a full-time income inside of network marketing, right? And growing up, you know, I love martial arts. To this day, I love martial arts, right? And I want you guys to picture this. Imagine you're somebody that wants to learn martial arts. You walk into a martial arts studio and you see the sensei, right? So you see the sensei, and then all on the wall, you see trophies and certificates that the sensei, you know, has gotten from being in martial arts. So now you know this sensei is documented. So that's dojo number one, right? But imagine going into dojo number two and you see the document of the sensei, but then the sensei also says, hey, let me show you the documentation of all of my students, right? So you see all the awards and all the certificates from his students. Who are you more likely to want to partner with, okay? Majority of the time, 9 times out of 10, you're going to want to join with the sensei who has his results, but also can show you the documentation of his students. So number one, again, if you are struggling, feel like your results in network marketing are AWOL, find you a documented mentor and then do exactly what that mentor tells you to do. Stop trying to create a Frankenstein business, all right? See, a lot of the reasons why some of you may be struggling inside of this industry is because you found you a mentor, you found you somebody that's documented, this mentor tells you exactly what to do, and then guess what you do? You do the exact opposite. Okay, now why do people do that? I have no idea, guys. Once you find you a documented mentor, do everything in a certain way, the way they tell you, step by step. Stop creating a Frankenstein business, doing things your mentor is telling you not to do, but you want to do it anyway. You want to try all this extra stuff that is not documented, and now you get yourself frustrated about the results that you're not getting from the work that you are not doing. All right, if this makes sense, y'all let me know in the comment stream if this makes sense. Do exactly what your mentor tells you to do. And that goes into step number two, which is if you feel like your results are AWOL in network marketing, number two is you have to go through the training. And when you go through the training provided from your documented mentor, again, do not deviate from what they are telling you to do. So I'm an 80s baby, right? I'm an 80s baby. I just told you guys I love martial arts. So I grew up watching the movie The Karate Kid, the original Karate Kid, right? Now, like, I know they have the new series on YouTube, the Cobra Kai series. I love that series too, right? But I'm an 80s baby and I grew up on the original Karate Kid. Now, if you guys remember, on the Karate Kid, you had Mr. Miyagi and Daniel's son, right? So Mr. Miyagi goes to Daniel's son after he sees Daniel getting beat up and getting bullied, and Daniel's like, I want to learn martial arts. So Mr. Miyagi said, what? Wax the floor, paint the fence. You know, he had Daniel doing all these things that was teaching Daniel how to do things in a certain way, right? But if you remember in the movie, Daniel gets frustrated and he asks Mr. Miyagi, what are you really teaching me? You know, you're not teaching me anything. So Mr. Miyagi says, well, show me sand the floor. Show me wax the car. And Daniel realized right then that Mr. Miyagi was teaching him. And as long as he does things in a certain way, he will become successful. And again, to wrap it up, you all know, you've seen the movie, right? Daniel ends up winning the karate tournament, okay? Because he did things in a certain way. He took the training that his mentor taught him and he did things in a certain way. So you have to do the same thing. Again, stop creating a Frankenstein business and frustrating the heck out of yourself. So again, if you're just now tuning in, we are talking about 3 things you need to focus on right now if you feel like your results in network marketing are AWOL. Step number 1 is find you a documented mentor. Step number 2 is you go through the training and you do not deviate from the training. Stop creating you a Frankenstein business. Step number 3 is you have to practice. You have to practice over and over and over again. Guys, champions are not built overnight. Champions consistently practice over and over and over again until they get gooder and gooder and gooder, right? See, one of the problems in network marketing is you guys join a network marketing company, and because you don't get results within the first week, the first month, you start thinking to yourself, oh, it's not working. Nobody's joining me. Nobody's buying my product or service. But guys, when you think about anything that you have done in life, just think about if you have went to college, right? Most of you went to college 4 to 5 years. 4 to 5 years to get your degree. And then if you went for a master's or a PhD, you had many more years after that before you can get a master's or PhD, right? Now, think about your first day on a college campus. If you walked up to your professor your first day and said, listen, I want to skip through all the prerequisites and I want to get my degree next month. How crazy would your professor look at you? Okay? How crazy will all the other students look at you? They will think you're a weirdo. All right, so guys, stop thinking that you can join the industry of network marketing because, see, what happens is because the entry level into network marketing is such a low entry level, but the income potential is high. People think that, hey, I'm going to just come in, I'm going to invest $100, $200, and then I'm going to make $1,000 overnight. I'm going to make 6 figures overnight. Guys, it's not going to happen like that. You have to practice and learn skill sets on a regular basis. So this is why I'm telling you, if you are not inside Dominate Social Media, make sure you join our Facebook group, right? Because we give you skill sets that you can practice on a regular basis to help you become a better network marketer. So guys, it doesn't happen overnight. You have to practice consistently over and over and over again. The person that masters the mundane and stays consistent, mastering the mundane, that is the person that's going to become successful in this industry of network marketing. So those are the 3 things you all need to do if you feel like your results are AWOL. Hopefully you all got some value from this. To recap, step number 1, find you a documented mentor. Step number 2, go through the training your documented mentor gives you. Stop creating a Frankenstein business and do exactly what your mentor tells you to do. Step number 3 is you have to practice your new skill sets consistently over and over again until you master the mundane and get gooder and gooder. So those are the 3 things. Now, before I go, guys, I want to give you a free resource. A free resource that you can get if you want to get the mindset you need to be a successful network marketer. So my mentor, Mr. Robert Hollis, has given us access to give away all his training for free. Okay, for free. So what you want to do is go to roberthollis.com, roberthollis.com, and you want to join the tribe for free. You get free access. So what you're going to get every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern time, my mentor does a network marketing training every single Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern time, okay? You're going to get access to the membership site that has all the replays from all of our previous Saturday trainings, and you're going to get access to his Science of Getting Rich training, and I think you get the Millionaire Creation Formula as well inside the membership site. So again, go to roberthollis.com, sign up for the tribe for free, get free access to the membership site, and join us every Saturday for our weekly tribe training where we're going to have Mr. Robert Hollis himself, documented multimillionaire who has helped 55 other people become millionaires, okay? He does the training every single Saturday, guys, so you don't want to miss out. Get around the documentation. That's a documented mentor right there, Robert Hollis. So go to the site, roberthollis.com, request access, guys. We look forward to seeing you on the Saturday trainings and also inside of our Dominate social media Facebook group. So that's your live Zach Fact for today. You all have a great day on purpose. I'm out. Peace.